materials used to create this product? The Epare steel egg cracker tool, sleek stainless steel egg cups, and spoons are made from high quality stainless steel. This product is built to last. Will this work with raw or really fresh eggs? This will work on raw eggs and fresh eggs. Now, you may find that with fresh eggs, it scores the white along with the shell. There will always be a clean cut, but you can never predict if the white will be lifted with the shell. So what is the largest diameter egg it will crack? And do jumbo and small eggs fit in the cup? The cups are designed for large eggs, smaller eggs, maybe a little wobbly in the stand, while larger eggs will just sit a little higher. There's no egg size limit, just variables in height. Will this require much hand strength? No worries, our Epare Egg Topper has a simple spring with a few grams of force. Is this dishwasher safe? We highly recommend this to be hand washed only.